Good evening, students. Today we will be learning ending sound. So let's start. Help Ali match the animal names with their ending sound letter. So children, you can see in this picture different kinds of animals and their names. So now let's read out the names of the animals. So first we have tiger, Tiger, tiger. So here tiger ending letter is R. Then we have fox. So this is the fox, Fox, fox. So here fox ending letter is X. Then hen, Hen, hen. Here hen ending letter is N. Then we have ant, Ant, ant. So here ant ending letter is T. Then we have here lizard, Lizard, lizard. Here lizard ending letter is D. Then we have duck, Duck, duck. Here duck ending letter is K. Then we have frog, Frog, frog. Here frog ending letter is G. So children, I hope so you have understood the ending sound.